Top of the hour, let's begin with the updates now coming in from United States of America with regards to Iran and the unrest and the violence there, which has now, according to reports, claimed the lives of over 500 people. Now here, US President Donald Trump says that Iran wants to negotiate, it wants to talk with Washington after his threat to strike the Islamic Republic over its crackdown on protesters in nationwide demonstrators that the activists say that has left nearly over 500 people dead. As the US president has threatened to intervene in Iran, saying that such a meeting was being planned, but added it could be derailed by the crackdown on protesters. He's claimed that Iran has reached out and proposed negotiations as it considers very strong military action against the regime. Now, not only that, as far as the US says that Iran is ready for talks, a similar sentiment that is now being shared from Iran's side as well. Iran saying that it is not only ready for talks with the US on the basis of mutual respect, but also is prepared for war. And this statement is coming in from the Iranian foreign minister. At a press briefing in Tehran, he has accused the US and Israel of playing a direct role in the recent unrest. And he says that Iranian government has obtained evidence showcasing the recent disturbances, including attacking police stations and burning public facilities, were carried out by terrorists backed by US and Israel. As the Iranian government announced a 3-day nationwide mourning period to honor the police officers, security personnel, civilians killed during these disturbances. So these are the developments that we are looking to know. As far as Srinjoy, good morning. Are talks on the table that's going to happen because the Islamic Republic is a country, as the foreign minister said, that has never left the negotiating table, but contradictory messages are coming in from the US side showing lack of seriousness. Are they ready for war or are they ready for negotiations?
The Iranians have put their cards on the table. You want to negotiate. But what is the issue to negotiate? What do you want to negotiate about? Because as far as the Americans are concerned, the Americans have probably only one thing in mind. They want regime change. They want this government to go. So how can a government that has to vote itself out or has to move out, negotiate with the United States? So first of all, it has to be decided between the West, primarily America, though here we have seen tweets by the French, by Macron, what the issue to negotiate with about has to be decided upon. First of all, what are you going to negotiate about? One thing, of course, is very clear. You should talk about the fact that these attacks have to end. The fact that there has to be peace on the streets. The demonstrations cannot be fired upon and so on. That is just the beginning. What happens after that? Let's also not forget what the President of the United States has said, that airstrikes cannot be ruled out. Now, airstrikes is a serious matter. Airstrikes on what? There have been American airstrikes on Iran and on their nuclear facilities not that long ago, several months ago. Now, what will the strikes be about? So all these things have to be really worked out. Do the Americans have something in mind? Okay, you have airstrikes, but what does that achieve? Of course, you have tariffs, 25% tariffs on every country that deals with Iran. Fine, but what will that achieve? Will that lead to regime change? Is that something you want?
And it will amount to intervention again and foreign intervention as far as what's happened in Venezuela and what the US seems to be claiming in here on Iran as well, saying that military strikes is an option that is still on the table there as far as the statements that have been coming in from White House. But what is the purpose exactly where Donald Trump is right now looking at, as the situation is quite unprecedented that has now been witnessed in Iran since the last 3 weeks that we are looking at of this violence now escalating. Please to stay on with us.